Hi friends, welcome back to Urban Throttler. People who are watching my video for the first time, a quick intro for all of you. This channel is about modifying bikes. I currently have Honda H'ness CB350 and I have modified it to stage 1 tune fully with a custom look and all the cafe circuit and other mods. Now, there is a whole series of episodes, 9 or 10 episodes, where I have shown all the modifications that I have done with a brief intro or about review about all of these mods. Now, today's topic will be the feature mods. So, we will talk about all the mods that we are planning, mods or all the other type of changes that we are planning. This is a cold start with Red Rooster. DB Killer is not there right now. So yeah, in this video we will talk about all the mods and the changes that we are planning to do with our bike in the next 1 or 2 months. So in the next 1 or 2 months you will see a lot of different content around the topics that we are going to discuss today. Now, the few changes that I have planned are, the first one is a tire. We are going to upgrade to a bigger or a wide tire. Currently the H'ness has a rear tire of about 130/18. I have seen people who have upgraded to 150. I'm thinking about 160. I'm not sure whether it would be practical or possible or not, so I will do some research and then we will think about it. Just give me a minute, let me see if the view is right. Alright, so tire change is one thing that we are planning. As you have seen, we do not have a mudguard. I installed a mudguard. I removed the stock mudguard that Honda offers, installed another mudguard, then I removed it again. I like that empty look. I know in my previous episodes I have mentioned that it gives kind of a cheap look without the mudguard, but I'm pretty sure that with a wide tire it will look good. So tire change is the first change that I am planning. The second would be change sprocket. I guess 1 or 2 people commented in my initial video suggesting me to change the rear sprocket to more, which would have more number of teeth. It would increase the acceleration of the bike at the cost of high speed, so I would get better throttle response and better a quick acceleration, but the speed might take a hit, the top speed might take a hit. So second change would be change sprocket. The third change will be wrapping up this headlight cover. It's already gray, the front part, but the glass is currently transparent, or it's of a matte kind of in a shade. So I'm thinking to wrap it up with the same color as the bike. So that would be the third change. Fourth will be a big change, that will be the ECU. As all of you would know, I have installed FuelX on my bike, FuelX Pro Plus, with the Red Rooster and of course air filter spark plugs. I did not change the ECU initially because I wanted to test out this complete setup of a stage 1 tune bike, but yeah, my next it will take some time, of course. Change will be ECU. I will create a dedicated video on all of these topics that I am discussing right now. So ECU will be the fourth change. Now talking about the different kind of content that I will be pushing live in the next 30 days. The first one would be the mic and the mic setup basically. someone commented on my initial videos that the wind noise was there, and then the same person commented in my other video asking about that setup, because I changed a couple of things which helped a lot in reducing the overall wind noise. So this is my current setup. I have a modular helmet. I do not have a full face. I mean, it's again a full face, but it's modular, so it's not that easy to set up the mic, because every time I open the helmet, the position of the mic changes, so I have to adjust it every time I wear the helmet. So yeah, mic setup is the first content, except all the changes that we just talked about. The second one would be a complete I guess 3-month review for FuelX. Indicator is on. 3-month review for FuelX Pro Plus that I have installed. It's almost been 3 months. Then the next would be a complete, again, 2.5 or 3 months review for Red Rooster. So I will create a dedicated video. Now the reason I'm creating a dedicated video is because if I try to create one video with a whole 3-month review of FuelX, then air filter, then exhaust, that video will be much lengthy, and I'm not sure if everyone would be willing to watch a 30 minutes or a 20-minute video altogether. So we will create a dedicated video for a complete review of FuelX Pro Plus, the Red Rooster exhaust, air filter. Again, it would be a quick review. Now talking about changes and air filter, we can think about changing the air filter to BMC. So that I've not actually thought about it, but since I talked about air filter, we can think about that as well. Right now the air filter is from Engage, and we can think about changing it to BMC just to see whether there is any improvement or not. So yeah, these were the changes that I was planning. So just to summarize, in terms of performance, the first one would be changing, upgrading the tire to a 150 or 160. Second would be chain sprocket, upgrading that as well. Yes, I forgot one thing, brake pads. So ceramic, there's a different kind of brake pad as well. Currently the brake pad that Honda offers is not that great. It costs a lot. If I'm not wrong, it costed me around 2,500 or 3,000 the last time I had to switch both the brake pads. I don't remember the exact figure, but yeah, brake pad is something. Brake pad is the third thing. So again, going through the list, the chain sprocket, wide tires, the brake pads, and the fourth and the final change would be the ECU. Talking about the content, the first one would be mic setup, second would be full review of FuelX, third full review of Red Rooster exhaust, and yeah, and air filter. Now if anyone wants me to create a dedicated video for installments of all of these mods, so I know a couple of folks who requested a dedicated video on how to install all of these mods. Now since I've already installed and I did not record the whole process, I would have to go back to the workshop and ask them to take it out and then re-add it, and then I will be able to record it. But let me know in the comments below if anyone of you wants me to create a dedicated video on the installation part. I have also HJG aux lights, so I will create a dedicated review video for that as well. So these are all the changes and the content that you can expect in the next 30 days. Please subscribe to the video if you have not, so that way you will be notified. You can turn on the notification bell if you want to. Otherwise, if you just subscribe and like the video, again, if you really liked it, I won't push you to like the video if you did not. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. As I have already said, it just motivates me to create more video. It's not that I will be paid for every like or every comment that you drop, but yeah, it makes me feel good that at least people are crazy about modifying or improving the performance of their Honda CB350. It's not the bike that people really buy to modify. People usually buy, you can say, KTM or maybe let's say Pulsar, those Apache people do buy those bikes thinking that okay, after some time they might improve or they might do some modifications, but this bike is not uh, the one that people would buy with the mindset that they would increase their performance by adding FuelX or air filter or exhaust. But yeah, it's a good thing that people are interested. I have been riding this bike from almost last 4.5 years. I bought this in Jan 2021, so it's more than 4.5 years. And you all have already seen how the bike looks. It's currently, the odometer rating is 22,164. The average that I get is 39.2. It's a mix of city and highway. I have created dedicated videos for the bike average and how you can expect, how you can get more average from your bike. So again, there is a whole series of 9 or 10 episodes. People who are watching my video for the first time, please check out the channel and watch out the dedicated videos that I have on all of these specific topics. Alright then guys, I did not expected this video to be this long, but yeah, let me know in the comments below guys if you have any questions around this bike, if you have any suggestions as well. Being upfront, I do not have a lot of knowledge about how to upgrade this bike. This was my first time I thought about upgrading my bike. All the content that I am uploading is based on the research, feedback, reviews that I have heard or read online or maybe watched in the videos. So yeah, if you have any suggestion or advice, feel free to drop a comment below. I am open. I am open to learn from all of you as well. So yeah, thank you so much guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.